Are you tired of making the same old boring meals with ground beef? Well, today, we're transforming it into these incredibly flaky, golden, and savory beef hand pies using store-bought puff pastry that are perfect for any occasion. First things first, let's make this flavorful beef filling for these amazing hand pies. Let's start by dicing 1 cup of Spanish onion. Then saute it in a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat until it's nice and fragrant. Up next, add 500 grams of ground beef. We'll cook this down, breaking it apart until it's nicely brown. To really boost that beefy flavor, let's stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Chop 3 cloves of garlic. This is key for adding that amazing pungent aroma and incredible flavor to our beef. Give that a quick stir for about a minute. Time to bring in some color and sweetness. We'll add 1 cup of diced carrots and let them cook down until they're nice and tender. Let's layer in more flavor. We'll add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, totally optional if you like a little kick, and then another tablespoon of tomato paste to really deepen those flavors. Add 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard for a touch of tang, plus 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and Maggi to really boost that umami. And of course, don't forget to season generously with salt and pepper to taste. For another layer of aroma, we'll stir in a tablespoon of dried oregano. For even more a wonderful meatiness, let's slice up about a cup of cremini mushrooms and continue to cook until they soften up. For one last touch that truly elevates the flavor, we'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of grated nutmeg. It just brings this dish to life. To finish this off, let's toss in about a 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen green peas and roughly 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley. Give it one final stir, then take it off the heat and let it cool completely to room temperature. Now, let's grab our store-bought puff pastry dough and roll it out until it's about 3 to 4 millimeters thick. To keep things from sticking, sprinkle a bit of flour on your surface and rolling pin. Grab a ruler and let's cut our dough into 8 cm squares. You can use a pizza cutter or a sharp knife to easily cut these squares. Now, take 1 square and brush the edges with egg wash. Place about 2 teaspoons of the cooled beef filling right in the center. Grab another square and roll it out just a little bit to make it slightly wider. Carefully lay this widened square over the top of your filled pastry. To make sure our filling stays put, crimp the edges with a fork. Place your finished pastry on a baking tray, then brush the tops with egg wash for a beautiful golden finish. For the best results and the flakiest pastry, lock them in the fridge for about an hour before baking. When you're ready, bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until beautifully golden brown. Now, there is only one thing left to do. Dig in while they're still warm. The incredible combination of that seasoned beef and veggie filling with the perfectly flaky puff pastry truly makes these hand pies a satisfying meal or snack. Thanks for tuning in. We really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please show us some love with a like and be sure to subscribe for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes. See you in the next one.